We looked at creating a group contact list. And what we're going to do now is look at how we can make folders for our classes. So we have our contacts from from our first hour class into one contact list. So that way all of my kids' email is in one group. And the example we had was algebra first hour. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a folder for that class now. You can see I already have the folders over here on the left panel or pane of your screen are the list of folders that I currently have. I have an inbox, a starred folder. Some of these I use, some of them I don't. I have an important, chat, sent, so forth, algebra, cross country, deleted, grad school, and so forth. And you can see all these folders. You can already see I have an algebra first hour. To create a new folder, it's pretty simple. You just go underneath more, and if I just click this little down arrow, it'll give me the option for all mail, which is all your mail that Gmail keeps a track of. And for those of you who use the MacBook mail client, that's that Gmail all mail that some of you are familiar with, where your emails never get really deleted. You can manage your labels, which are your folders here, and you can certainly do that. You can click there and you can see all your folders here and manage those, rename them, remove them. But if you just want a real quick way to add a new label, is just create new label, and I'm going to do algebra second hour, and just click create, and you have a new folder. I have an algebra first hour and algebra second hour. If I want to delete one of those folders, I could go under manage label and remove it this way, or edit it, or hide it. Maybe I don't want to see the starred folder or some of these other folders and I want to hide them. You can certainly do that. I can hide. I never use the starred or the important, so it's kind of up to you if you want to have those hidden. But let's say I don't want this algebra second hour. I meant to just have the algebra first hour. So I click it. You can change the font of the label, the color of the label. You can add a custom color. You can show it. And you get these options. Instead of going into actually managing the labels, you can just go in here and get some quick options. And I can add a sub-label, even a folder within that folder. And so you could have, like, within the algebra first hour, you could have like research papers or homework or tests or quizzes, and actually have them filtered in there. And so you can get really advanced if you want. And in the next video, we're going to look at creating filters. And so I don't want this class, so I'm going to remove this label. So I'm going to remove algebra second hour, and I just have the algebra first hour that I created as a class in Gmail. And for those of you using the MacBook side of Mail, I'll just click here and you will see that there is an algebra first hour folder automatically synced to my Gmail client, or from my Gmail to my Mail client on the MacBook side. So look forward to the next video showing you how to do filters.